Looking for locksmith services in Baton Rouge? A1 Safe & Lock has been providing security solutions for families and businesses in the Baton Rouge area since 1968. We are proud to be a locally owned and operated company with deep roots in the community. A1 Safe & Lock is fully licensed with experienced technicians and professional locksmith services available for your home and business. At A1 Safe & Lock, our mission is to provide our customers with fast, friendly, and affordable locksmith services. Our technicians have completed background checks and have extensive training in all facets of business and residential locksmith services for your security. And they arrive in an easily identifiable company vehicle, fully equipped to handle a wide range of residential, commercial, and industrial locksmith services. Competitive pricing and exceptional customer service have made A1 Safe & Lock the top locksmith provider in the Baton Rouge and South Louisiana area. A1 Safe & Lock provides high-tech solutions to fulfill your security needs. Give us a call today at 225-924-7007 or visit our website at www.mybatonrougelocksmith.com. Proudly serving the greater Baton Rouge area since 1968. A1 Safe & Lock, the key to your security. 225-924-7007, www.mybatonrougelocksmith.com.